Good morning, guys. I am C. Ankur Agarwal, and I'll be helping you with the principles and practice of accounting for CA Foundation. Today, we will be starting with a chapter of partnership. And here, as you all know, in every exam, Institute has given this chapter a weightage of 20 marks. Yes. So, we can conclude from this that this is the most important chapter in your course. And yes, as this chapter is pretty big, I have divided into different parts. Today we will be solving with a simpler part of calculation of profit sharing ratio. So in today's class, I will be telling you, I will be teaching you all possible cases the institute can ask while calculating ratios. Okay? Yes. So let's start. But before that, if you like this lecture, please download the Unacademy app, install it. Also, go for the CA Foundation and Intermediate Plus subscription. In this subscription, you can watch all the videos and classes of all the educators available on Unacademy from one subscription only. You can also use my code CA Ankur for getting extra 10% discount. Okay, so let's start with, guys, calculation of profit sharing ratio. Comparative to the rest of the part of this chapter, this part is little bit simple. Okay, yes, profit sharing ratio. I will start with the very simple concept. Question: A and B are equal partners. A and B are equal partners. C is admitted. C is admitted for 1/3 share. What will be the new ratio? So guys, C is getting 1/3 share. So what we will do is, we will deduct this 1/3 from the total share, that is 1. Total share is 1 and we will deduct C's share. So 1 minus 1 by 3, you can calculate the LCM. This will be 2 by 3. Okay? Yes. This is known as remaining share. What it is known as, sir? Remaining share. Now this remaining share, 2 by 3, will be taken by A and B in their original ratio, that is equal. That means half and half. So out of 2 by 3, 1 by 2 will be taken over by A. 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. And out of 2 by 3, the remaining half will be taken over by B, that is again 2 by 6. And C's share, as you are already aware of, is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 2 by 6. So the new ratio is 2:2:2 or 1:1:1. Very simple. But there is one simple trick of solving this question. Just be at your 100% concentration level for the next 30 seconds. So what was the old ratio of A and B? Sir, equal. Equal means 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Yes, sir. 1:1. What was the ratio of C? Sir, 1 by 3. So guys, what is 1 plus 1? 2. And what was the ratio offered to C? Sir, 1 by 3. So again, was C offered 1 share, 1/3 of the share? So the shortcut is, if by adding the C share you get, that means 1 plus 1 is 2, and by adding C share, that is 1, you get 3. So the new ratio will be again 1:1:1. Of course, it will not be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, but it will be 1:1:1. I will be taking one other question. Please listen. The old ratio is 3:2. 3:2 means, sir, 5. 3:2 means 5. And suppose C is getting 1/6 of the share. 1/6 of the share. So 1/6 of the share means 3:2, 5 plus 1, 6, and C is getting 1/6 only, sir. Yes. So the new ratio will be 3:2:1. Simple. One more question. Suppose old ratio of A and B is 2:1, and C is getting 2/5. So applying the same shortcut technique, 2 plus 1, 3. How much is C getting, sir? 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. And is C getting 2 plus 5? So 2/5 only? Yes. Then the new ratio will be 2:1:2. Simple. You can calculate as per the original method. Your answer will be the same. And I am 100% sure that if institute asks this, you will definitely save at least 30-40 seconds in exam or 1 minute. Okay? Did you got the technique? Again, this is a recorded class, guys. If you have still any doubt, please ask me on the Unacademy app or on the next live class on YouTube. Okay? Yes. 2:1:2. But yes, this trick won't work in such type of questions. Listen. A and B share profits 3:1, for example, and C is given 1/4 share. So what is 3 plus 1, sir? 4. And C is given 1/4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So C is not getting 1/5. C is getting 1/4. So shortcut trick won't apply. Then what will we have to do, sir? Simple, the whole process. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. Out of this 3/4, A will get 3/4 into A's share, 3/4, and B will get 3/4 into 1/4. Simple. This will be answer. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 3 1s are 3, 4 4 4s are 16, and C is getting 1/4. That means into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 9:3:4. Simple. Okay, shortcut won't apply here. Did you got it now? Yes. So one type of question. The another type is and an important type. Listen. A and B share profits. A and B share profits 2:1. C is admitted and he gets 1/3 from A and 1/6 from B. Guys, I will underline this word from. If C is getting 1/3 from A, that means A's share will be, original share was 2/3, and he is sacrificing, he is giving 1/3 to C. So we will deduct 1/3 from his share. 2 minus 1 is 1/3. We will directly deduct what he is sacrificing. B's share will be 1/3, sir. 1/3 minus B is sacrificing 1/6. We will calculate the LCM. It is 2 minus 1/6. That is 1/6. That is B's new share. and C will get 1/3 from A plus 1/6 from B. Again, LCM into 2 into 2, 2 plus 1 divided by 6, that is 3 by 6. Again, this comes out to 2 by 6. So, new ratio will be 2:1:3. Simple. From, you will have to concentrate on the word from. Okay? Yes. So, what can be the another word in place of this from? Listen. Again, a very important question. A and B share profits 3:2. C gets 1/5 of A's share and 1/5 of B's share. The question is totally different, guys. Of, earlier it was used as from, now it is of. So from A share was how much, sir? 3 by 5. From 3 by 5, we will deduct 1/5 of A share. That means we will not deduct 1/5. 1/5 of A share. That means 1/5 of A share, 3 by 5. So it will come out as 3 by 5 minus 3 ones are 3, 5 5s are 25. You can solve it now. LCM, taking the LCM, 5 into 5, that comes out to 15 minus 3 by 25, that is 12 by 25. Simple. Of A share. So we will not directly deduct 1 by 5. We will deduct A's shares 1 by 5. That is 3 by 5 into 1 by 5. Similarly, we will solve for B also. Okay. What was B's share? So B's share was B's share was 2:5. Out of this, he is again giving 1/5 of B's share. He is sacrificing 1/5 of B's share. So what we will do is, we will deduct, but we will not deduct 1 by 5. We will deduct 1 by 5 of his share. 1 by 5 into 2 by 5. So now what will happen, sir? 2 by 5 minus 2 ones are 2, 5 5s are 25, and we will calculate the LCM. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 25 into 5 into 5. So 10 minus 2 by 25, that is 8 by 25. And what will be the C's share, sir? Now guys, C is not getting 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. C is getting 1 by 5 of A share. That means C is getting 3 by 25 from A, and plus 2 by 25 from B. So it will be 5 by 25, sir. That will be the share. 12:8:5. Okay. Remember the word of. Remember the word from. Fine. Yes. Now again, one last question combining both of the above questions. Okay. So listen. A and B share profits. A and B share profits. Say for example, 2:1. C gets 1/3 from A, from, guys, and 1/3 of B's share. What we will do? Simple. A share was how much? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 because he is getting 1 by 3 from A. So A is sacrificing 1/3 of his share. 1/3 from his share, sorry. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. How much is B sacrificing? Sir, B share was 1 by 3. So he is sacrificing 1/3 of his share. That means 1/3 of 1/3. So it will be 1 by 3 minus 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. Taking LCM, it will be 3 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9. 2 by 9 means into 3 is 3 by 9. And what will be C's share, sir? C's share will be, he is getting 1/3 from A and 1/9 from B. Okay, again LCM, 3 plus 1, 4 by 9. So what will be the ratio, sir? 3 is to 2 is to 4. 3 to 4. Simple. So again, guys, you will have to look at this point in the exam, from and off. Okay. Yes. Now, what is sacrificing ratio, sir? I am talking about it in since every question, na? What is sacrificing ratio, guys? Sacrificing ratio means old ratio minus new ratio. When there is admission of a partner, generally, not every time, but generally, every partner sacrifices towards the new partner. So what he was earlier getting minus what he will get now, that is your sacrificing ratio. Okay, and guys, this formula can be altered for calculating the new ratio also, just like we did in the previous questions. So what will be the formula for new ratio, sir? New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Simple. Okay, it can be used to calculate old ratio also, but again that need won't arise in the exam, but still fine. Again, if this sacrificing comes in negative, guys, most important, it means it is a gaining ratio. It means it is a gaining ratio. Sir, how can it happen, sir? When partner is getting admitted, how can it happen? Listen. Very simple. Old ratio 3 is to 2. Old ratio 3 is to 2. Okay, fine. I will take old ratio 1 is to 1. That will be simple for you. New ratio will be 1 is to 2 is to 2. A, B and C. Guys, without calculating the formula, without putting up the formula, let's understand the basic. Earlier, what used to happen? Okay, fine. Sorry, I will have to make it as 1 is to 3 is to 2. No, again, sorry. 1 is to 3 is to 1. New ratio. Earlier what used to happen? If the firm is earning a profit of say 10 rupees, so A was getting 5 rupees, B was getting 5 rupees. 1 is to 1. But now what will happen is, if the firm is earning 10 rupees, A will get 1 by 5, that is 2 rupees. B will get B will get 10 into 3 by 5, that is 6 rupees. So A's share has been reduced from 5 to 2. B's share has been increased from 5 to 6. So if we apply the above formula, his share will come in the negative. Let's take a look. What's the formula for sacrificing, sir? Old minus new. Old ratio was 1 by 2. We are calculating it for A. Huh? And new ratio is 1 by 5. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. Into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. Yes. I'm an old school guy, guys. Okay. So 5 minus 2 by 10. So the sacrificing ratio is 3 by 10. But when we will apply this formula for B, old ratio was 1 by 2 and the new ratio is 3 by 5, again into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. This will come out to 5 minus 6 by 10, that is negative 1 by 10. And if it is negative, then what does it mean, sir? It means it is gaining ratio. For whom? For B. Gaining ratio. Yes, it can happen. Fine. Are you okay with that? Yes. Yes. So we are done with sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio, admissions. Okay. Now there are few different concepts at the time of retirement or death. At the time of retirement and death. Let's have a look at it. Very simple. They are very simple. But let's have a look at it. So, sir, the question is old ratio A, B, and C. A, B, and C is 3 is to 2 is to 1. C retires and his share. Okay. First question, C retires. Sorry, C retires. What will be new ratio? So guys, what happens is when C is retiring, his share of 1 by 6, 3 is to 2 is to 1, his share of 1 by 6 will be taken over by A and B in their existing ratio of 3 is to 2. That means A's ratio will be 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 3 by 5, 3 is to 2, and B's ratio will be 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 2 by 5. How it will be solved, sir? 3 by 6 plus 3 ones are 3 and 6 5s are 30. So LCM taking 5 into 5, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 30, sir. Okay. And 2 by 6 plus 2 ones are 2, 5 6 are 30. Again taking LCM into 5 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 12 plus 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 30. So 18 is to 12, or again 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 12, 3 is to 2. Earlier the ratio was also 3 is to 2. Same. So you don't need to solve it. If the old ratio is given and it is given that C is retiring or any partner is retiring, then the new ratio will be same as old ratio, excluding the partner who retires. Okay. But if the question is like that, sir, like I have already given you, old ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. C retires and his share is taken over by A and B equally. Then what will happen is A's share was 3 by 6. He will get C share of 1 by 6 into 1 by half, 1 by 2. Equally, not in their old ratio. B share was 2 by 6 and they will get half of 1 by 6. How it will be solved, sir? 3 by 6 plus 1 1s are 1, 6 2s are 12 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 by 12, that is 7 by 12, and this will come out to 5 by 12. You can solve it. So if nothing is given, then in their old ratio. If equally is given, then half half, and this can be something else also, like again old ratio, sir. 3:2:1. C retires and A gets 1/4 of C and B gets 3/4 of C remaining. So again, instead of 1 by 2, 1 by 2, we will take 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Simple, sir. So A's ratio will be how much, guys? A's ratio will be 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, and B's ratio will be 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 3 by 4. It will be solved as 3 by 6 plus 1 1s are 1, 6 4s are 24 into 4 into 4. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 by 24. 2 by 6, it's 13 by 24, and it will be 11 by 24. 2 by 6 plus 3 1s are 3, 4 6 are 24 into 4 into 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 by 24, 11 by 24. New ratio. And same questions can arise in death also, in case of death also. Okay? Yes. So in this lecture I have covered almost every question which can come relating to profit sharing ratio. If you have any doubt in particular question, you can again ask me in the next live lecture. This is a recorded one. You can ask me in the next live lecture. You can message me on the Unacademy app, and you can also take a photo and send me in the classes which I take on the Unacademy app. You can send the photo on that app. Okay? Yes. Guys, that's it from my side relating to profit sharing ratio. Next topic we'll be taking off, that is joint life policy and goodwill and every other thing. Okay? Yes. So thank you all of you. Okay? Yes.